Lucky Block race. Again with my sister. And from the end, we are going to have a battle. So I'm green. And my sister's blue. Okay. First. Ooh, fireworks. That's important. Okay. How about this? What? Really game. Little pub patience. I don't know what's bomb. Oh my god, guys, it's gonna take way too long.
Yo, they are nice.
Okay, this is gonna take too long, so that's going to be dead. Guys, I'm just going to be dead. I don't care anymore. Come on! Yeah, just die. And what happened here? Press the button. Okay guys, so what the hell is happening there? So these my items. Okay guys, so for today, what am I going to get? And crystal and guardian spawn egg. Okay, what will I get? This and a creeper spawn egg, of course. Spawn ko na nga din guys para ako'y mag. Okay. Yeah! So what will I get? No! Where was that? Okay, I got some sort of structure. Whatever. Oh my god, I heard TNT. Okay guys, I died. That was not meant to be happening. And I hate this world. Anong kulay ka?
Blue.
Ako red. Joke lang, green. Okay, nothing. Okay guys, what is this? Ah! Sorry guys, I died. I knew. Oh, the slime concrete. Okay, I could just build. Okay, I'm an idiot. Okay, so first I'm just. Guys, I died again. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, and I'm going to build and okay guys, just building. Guys, I know I'm not a speed builder, not a speed bridger, but it's okay. Gulag going. Yep, I did it. Okay, for the next A shelter! Oh! No, you're not getting me. You're not getting me. You are not getting me. You are not getting me. Come on. No! Oh! Guys, I'm a noob. Come on, shoulder. Oh my god! I hate this mob. Okay. Oh my god, I hate. Okay, for up. Okay, guys. For the next one, I would just kill the shulker. Oh my. Guys, let's just comment. Just comment. Guys, the battle is cancelled. We are not going to be battling. Because I...
Wala. Babala tayo.
Okay guys, sabi din ng akin ate, cancel na daw.
Babawar tayo.
Ayoko na nga. Kita mo ako yung pinapatay ng shell. Paano ako makaka-break?
No.
Di pa nagsisimula ang battle. Yan, deserve. Kita mo to, nasa kamay ko. Postpone ko to sa iyo. Ew. Nice, very nice. Yan, dalawang zombie.
No. Oh, fuck.
Okay, good luck.
Holy shit. Fuck. Oh my god. Shit!
Okay, guys. For the next battle, we're gonna get... Ew! Yep. Dito pa ba PC? You have a tablet. And what will I get? Okay, bonus lucky blah! Okay, for that, we will get
Oh my god, kinarma ako.
cobwebs. Okay, for the next... Oh! Ako! Kung naman dinamay. Akong dinadamay. Yan, nagka-levitation na naman ako. Tapos namatay ako. Very nice.
Ah, shit!
God, deserve. Oh my. Okay, build. Come on. A wolf. Okay, very nice. Ang unlucky kasi ng akin sister, guys. Ang nabunot ay wither. Very nice talagang ate ko. Wither ang nakuha, guys. Ang galing talaga ng swerte. Wither ang nakuha. Say sorry to the camera. Tamo, ako yung naka-facecam din eh. Tamo. Ako yung naka-facecam. Joke lang, di ako naka-facecam. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What is this? Ah! Ba't ako din nag-spawn? Ay! Hindi ako mag-spawn. Mag-spawn ako din, May! Tika mo! Pag ako tika mo.
Oo, siya nagkaroon din ako.
Ano ko yung phone? May color. May color. What the hell is this?
Putang ina wither.
Kinain ko yung colors, pero napapunta ako din. Ano ba nakalagay? Marimar. Napapunta pa ako din eh. Oh my god, napapunta ako din eh. Okay guys. Papatayin ko sarili ko. I'm gonna be smart.
Yung blocks ko.
Oh my god. Baka din ako kakainin. Ay!
Ba't hindi ko naman yung blocks ko siyan?
I don't know. Minamnyonyo.
Fuck.
Ayun! Guys! Dahil laging blue ako. Nawala lahat items ko. Ako'y naging blue. Yun. Ang swerte talaga ng ate ko, guys. Swerte talaga. Nakainis. O yan, we're back.
Wala, ang daya. Hindi ko naman yung blocks ko. Ay, pala.
Guys, very nice talaga. Nawala lahat ng items ko dahil sa akin sister. Na-reset lahat ng akin. Lucky blocks. Ate ko.
Ang daya, hindi ko naman ano.
Punch 2. Ehe. Gagamitin ko to sa akin natin. Hello.
Ano yun? Uy, visibility. This one.
Mayroong visibility arrow. Mayroong strength arrow.
Invisibility this one.
Mayroong invisibility arrow. Invisible arrow. Okay guys, be careful because oh my god. Oh my god, ang bait talaga ng akin ate guys, 'di ba? Thank God. Deserve siya naman ang nalaglag. 'Di ba guys, siya naman nalaglag.
Wala,
Tapos
hindi kasi ako makamina. Daya, kulay black na yung blocks.
very nice. Naka-strength, naka-slowness 100 ako. Very nice. Naka-slowness walang the red ako, May. Hindi ko naman mamina, oh. Ang slow ko. Oh my God. Hindi naman ako nagalaw, ew. Oh, wolf! Deserve din na mamina. And crystallines, some of these, and... Okay, guys. Oh! Gold armor! Okay. It is good. Yan, protektibo na ako sa akin ate, guys. Jump! Ay! Hindi talaga ako nag-spawn.
Wala ang daya, di na ako makapaghinga. At ganun.
Ano yun?
Nag-block na siya.
Mm. Guys. Nakakainis din ako nag-postpone.
Hit the tree, hit the wood.
Mabuti, bilinak ko na. Tapos din naman ako ayun. Guys, I think, yeah, I'm a noob. Yeah. Di nyo kasi guys pinanood yung glitch. Patayin nga ako, ba't kayo di makamina? Lah! Ba't tayo di makamina? Ang kawawa ng bata. Mag-iba ka na lang na Lucky Block. Mag-iba ka na ng team.
Ay, ko!
Karma. Hindi pa talaga ako.
When I hit the tree, I hit the wood. Oh, shit! When I hit the tree, I hit the wood.
Mag-iba ka na lang ng Lucky Block. Ng Lucky Block, te.
I hit the tree. May invisibility na naman ako.
Di pa rin kasi namatay ka. Ah! Kill! 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 Eh, babos. Sure, girl. There's nothing you can do about it. Haha. And I will die. Or now. How many seconds na lang? Oh my god. And I will die.
Uy, nice!
Oh! Fart! I'm so lucky. Oh my god, guys!
Pakita ka paano makakapaglaro. Pakita ka ng pakita.
Okay. So, what is this? What is this? Oh! Oh my... Ow.
Ay, pucha, no seya.
I got TNT. Ah! Mag-iba ka ng lakte.
Aray ko, pobo naman.
Oy, nasa YouTube to. Popos ko to. Sabi mo pa. Did I say ew? Gold nugget.
Oh
Baka
my god, I'm blind.
malalagay ko to guys sa fountain. Oh. Ah! May linagay ko sa fountain. Ang dami kong diamond. Okay. Thanks for the diamond. Pag meron kang fountain, lagyan mo ng ano, meron akong 60 diamond.
I'm blind, I can see, baby.
Ako na bahala. Ako, help kita. Wala items ko. Ano kayo namatay? That means
Oh, wala items. Hindi mo naman walang item.
pag na-winner na, tapos namatay.
Ah. When ahit the tree, ahit the wood.
I like parkour. I hate parkour.
Ay, balpid ko lang pinupuntahan ko.
Okay guys, so another day, another round. So I will pick yellow this time. Yung naman, pretty good. I think you don't starve, okay. You just grab a couple. And, ooh, crafting table. Thanks. Okay. And what about this? Okay. Congratulations! Kahit hindi ka naman na rin. Yay! Winner! So what adventure? So for today,
Ayun. Restart ko na.
restart.
Restarting map. Yan. Nag-restart na. Start denied. What? Isa pa. Ba't nawala yung button? Ayun, nag-restart kasi yan.
Okay,
Night
for
naman, night. Yan. Okay, pili ka na ng ano.
blue.
I'm gonna be red. Wait lang, wala pa. Race nga yan, race. Mapound mo sa una. Okay, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay guys, for the day we're playing another lucky block. And may fatigue.
Let's na, boy. What you can see, bro. Put it fucking down. So then,
Then for today we're getting
get it.
cow. Thanks for the meat.
Oh, nice one. This is one. Shit.
Dahil! Well, gusto ba?
Ano ba yun? Ay, puta.
House.
Puta. Ako yung nadamay.
Oh. Siya pang nadamay.
I can't lose, bros. I can't lose.
Hello? Ay! Karma. Yung wala makikita.
Ang inang sumbi!
Thank you, May! Psych! Ah, May di mo nakita yung armor nag...
Pwede ko pa naman ito. Antayin mo, hindi tayo sa'yo. Oo. Ha?
Hello? Ano yun, bomb? Ano yun, bomb? Ba't may bomb button? Guys, comment nyo. Naka 25, naka 26 ano ng aking recording eh. Hindi ko alam kung maabot ng ano ni mama. Yan na naman. Ay!
Itong ina.
Oh my god. Tayo ay nagre-record. Kaya wag ka magsabi ng bad words, nagre-record nga tayo eh. Wag ka magsabi, tayo ay nagre-record. Pati ako nadamay. Alam ko na, meron akong idea. Huwag ka namatay. Ako rin namatay. Alam ko na ang atin gagawin.
Yun, papatay lang.
Thanks. Go, girl! Ah!
Ang inis talaga.
Finally, it's such a dream.
Ano saya na naman. Dami naman. Yo, fuck diamonds. Shit. That was a diamond, bro. Wala naman kahoy.
Shh, guys. Guys, huwag kami ingay.
Oh, may natawag ko. Ayun, may Ay. Hello po. Nasa bumbero na po kayo? Ano? Po?
On the way pa lang po, kina-offer ko lang po kung kung saan deliver.
May bumbero. Sa bumbero po sa fire station.
Okay po ma'am. On the way na po, malapit na po. Dito.
Doon ko po i-meet.
Ano po?
Doon na lang po kukunin.
Okay po ma'am.
Sa fire station po. Sige po.
Okay po.
Ano naman in-order mo? Ano naman in-order mo? Guys, malapit na ako matapos.
Hindi ko na lang po ibibig, bobo.
Oh my god, guys. Okay, guys. Guys, goodbye. See you later, alligator.